Hello, everyone, you are welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be embarking on culinary journey of sharing simple and easy tips on how to make and bake a delicious, sweet, mouth-watering and beautiful pizza that is sure to rival your favorite pizzeria and impress everyone. This is all done at home in the comfort of your kitchen. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Here we go. Creating homemade pizza is a delightful culinary adventure that allows you to craft your favorite flavors and textures right in your own kitchen. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through every step of the pizza making process, from preparing the perfect dough to selecting the freshest toppings and achieving that irresistible crispy crust. By following these detailed instructions and tips, you'll be well equipped to make delicious pizzas that will rival your favorite pizzeria. List of contents to be shared. 1. Introduction to homemade pizza. 2. Essential ingredients for pizza dough. 3. Making pizza dough from scratch. 4. Essential equipment for pizza making. 5. Preparing pizza sauce. 6. Selecting and preparing pizza toppings. 7. Assembling and baking the pizza. 8. Tips for achieving the perfect crust. 9. Serving and enjoying your homemade pizza. 10. Variations and specialty pizzas. 11. Storing and reheating leftover pizza. 12. Troubleshooting common pizza problems. 13. Conclusion and final tips. Introduction to homemade pizza. Pizza is a beloved dish that originated in Italy but has since become a global favorite. Making pizza at home allows you to customize every aspect of the pizza, from the crust to the toppings, to suit your taste preferences. Whether you prefer a classic margherita pizza or a loaded meat lover's pie, homemade pizza offers endless possibilities for creativity and flavor exploration. Essential ingredients for pizza dough. The key ingredients for making pizza dough are simple but crucial. 1. Flour. All-purpose flour or bread flour is typically used for pizza dough. 1. Bread flour has a higher protein content, which helps develop gluten and gives the crust a chewy texture. 2. Water. Water hydrates the flour and activates the yeast, allowing the dough to rise. 3. Yeast. Yeast is a microorganism that produces carbon dioxide gas, which causes the dough to rise. 3. Both active dry yeast and instant yeast can be used for making pizza dough. 4. Salt. Salt adds flavor to the dough and helps control the fermentation process by regulating yeast activity. Making pizza dough from scratch. Here's how to make pizza dough from scratch. 1. Combine flour and yeast. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and yeast. 2. Add water and salt. Gradually add warm water and salt to the flour mixture, stirring until a shaggy dough forms. 3. Knead the dough. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it until it becomes smooth and elastic, about 8–10 minutes. 4. First rise. Place the kneaded dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean kitchen towel or plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm, draft-free place until doubled in size, usually 1–2 hours. 5. Punch down the dough. Once the dough has risen, punch it down to release the gases and redistribute the yeast. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Essential equipment for pizza making. To make pizza at home, you'll need some basic equipment. 1. Mixing bowls. Use large mixing bowls for combining ingredients and kneading dough. 2. Measuring cups and spoons. Accurate measurements are crucial for consistent results. 3. Rolling pin. Use a rolling pin to roll out the pizza dough to the desired thickness. 4. Pizza stone or baking sheet. A pizza stone or baking sheet is used to bake the pizza and achieve a crispy crust. 5. Pizza peel. A pizza peel is a long-handled tool used to transfer the pizza in and out of the oven. 6. Oven. A reliable oven with a high temperature setting is essential for baking pizza to perfection. Preparing pizza sauce. Pizza sauce is typically made from canned tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and herbs. Here's how to prepare pizza sauce. 1. Crushed tomatoes. Use canned crushed tomatoes as the base for the sauce. 2. Garlic. Finely mince garlic cloves and sauté them in olive oil until fragrant. 3. Seasonings. Add dried herbs such as oregano, basil, and thyme, as well as salt and pepper, to taste. 4. Simmer. Let the sauce simmer for about 10–15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Selecting and preparing pizza toppings. The toppings you choose can make or break your pizza. Here are some popular pizza toppings. 1. Cheese. Mozzarella cheese is the classic choice for pizza, but you can also use other varieties such as provolone, cheddar, or parmesan. 2. Meat. Pepperoni, sausage, ham, bacon, and chicken are popular meat toppings for pizza. 3. Vegetables. Bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, olives, tomatoes, spinach, and artichokes are just a few of the many vegetable toppings you can use. 4. Fresh herbs. Basil, parsley, and oregano add freshness and flavor to pizza. Assembling and baking the pizza. Now it's time to assemble and bake the pizza. 1. Roll out the dough. Roll out the pizza dough on a lightly floured surface to your desired thickness. 2. Transfer to a pizza peel or baking sheet. Carefully transfer the rolled out dough to a pizza peel or baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 3. Add sauce and toppings. Spread the pizza sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a border around the edges. 3. Sprinkle cheese and your desired toppings over the sauce. 4. Bake the pizza. Preheat the oven to the highest temperature setting, usually around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius. 4. Slide the pizza onto the preheated pizza stone or baking sheet and bake for 10–15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. 5. Let cool. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Tips for achieving the perfect crust. Achieving the perfect crust requires attention to detail and a few key techniques. 1. Use high heat. Preheat your oven to the highest temperature setting to ensure a crispy crust. 2. Use a pizza stone. A pizza stone absorbs moisture from the dough, resulting in a crispier crust. 2. Preheat the stone in the oven before placing the pizza on it. 3. Roll out the dough evenly. Roll out the pizza dough to a consistent thickness to ensure even baking. 4. Don't overload the pizza. Avoid adding too many toppings, as this can weigh down the crust and prevent it from crisping up. 5. Brush the crust with olive oil. Brushing the edges of the crust with olive oil before baking can help achieve a golden brown color and add flavor. Serving and enjoying your homemade pizza. Once your pizza is baked to perfection, it's time to serve and enjoy it. 1. Slice the pizza. Use a pizza cutter or sharp knife to slice the pizza into individual servings. 2. Serve hot. Serve the pizza hot, straight from the oven, to enjoy it at its best. 3. Add toppings. Garnish the pizza with fresh herbs, grated cheese, or a drizzle of olive oil before serving, if desired. 4. Pair with beverages. Serve your homemade pizza with your favorite beverages, such as beer, wine, or soda, for a complete meal experience. Variations and specialty pizzas. Experiment with different flavor combinations and styles to create your own specialty pizzas. 1. Margherita, a classic pizza topped with tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese, basil leaves, and a drizzle of olive oil. 2. Pepperoni, a timeless favorite topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and slices of pepperoni. 3. Supreme, a loaded pizza topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, sausage, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and olives. 4. Hawaiian, a sweet and savory pizza topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, ham, and pineapple. 5. Barbecue chicken, a tangy and smoky pizza topped with barbecue sauce, mozzarella cheese, grilled chicken, red onions, and cilantro. Storing and reheating leftover pizza. If you have leftover pizza, here's how to store and reheat it. 1. Refrigerate. Place leftover pizza slices in an airtight container or wrap them tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate for up to 3–4 days. 2. Freeze. To freeze leftover pizza, wrap individual slices in plastic wrap and place them in a freezer bag. 2. Frozen pizza will keep for up to 1–2 months. 3. Reheat. To reheat pizza, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and place the slices on a baking sheet. 3. Bake for 10–15 minutes, or until heated through and the crust is crispy. 3. Alternatively, you can reheat pizza slices in a skillet over medium heat for a crispy crust. Troubleshooting common pizza problems. Even the most experienced pizza makers encounter challenges. Here are some common issues and how to troubleshoot them. 1. Soggy crust. If your pizza crust is soggy, it may be due to too much sauce or moisture from the toppings. 1. Use a light hand when adding sauce and toppings, and consider pre-baking the crust for a few minutes before adding toppings. 2. Burnt toppings. If your pizza toppings are burning before the crust is fully cooked, try reducing the oven temperature or placing the pizza on a lower rack. 3. Unevenly cooked crust. If your pizza crust is unevenly cooked, it may be due to uneven thickness or placement in the oven. 3. Roll out the dough to a consistent thickness, and rotate the pizza halfway through the baking time to ensure even cooking. 4. Dough not rising. If your pizza dough doesn't rise during the fermentation process, it may be due to expired yeast, water that is too hot or too cold, or insufficient kneading. 4. Use fresh yeast. Ensure the water temperature is between 105 degrees Fahrenheit and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius and 46 degrees Celsius, and knead the dough until it is smooth and elastic. Conclusion and final tips. Making homemade pizza is a rewarding and enjoyable experience that allows you to unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Whether you prefer classic flavor combinations or experimental toppings, homemade pizza offers endless possibilities for customization and flavor exploration. With practice and experimentation, you'll soon be creating delicious pizzas that rival your favorite pizzeria. Remember to have fun, be creative, and enjoy the process of making and sharing homemade pizza with friends and family. Happy pizza making! Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Happy pizza making!